It is Monday, April the 5th, 2010, and I'm here in San Francisco looking out at the absolutely stunning Pacific Ocean here at the Cliff House. Oh my goodness. So gorgeous. So gorgeous. And I'm thinking that one has to sometimes go away from things before they realize just how gorgeous they are, and this is one of those places. I grew up here, and it's really nice to be back. See some California poppies over there. Oh my goodness. Oh boy. See if I can find Mom. Oh, I see Mom up there in the car. Hey, Mom! Hey, Mom!